eye glow effect. Yeah, that's what we're gonna learn in this video. So yeah, you gotta watch till the end.
Souvent il n'est pas fou, il aime ses tours, il la voit partout, il attend debout, debout, une rose à la main.
So just take literally any video, okay? Okay? And now what you're going to do is make a copy of it, like this. And go to Effects, Control, here, take a circular mask, go here, make it smaller. It should only cover its one eye, then copy and paste, and then take the mask, another mask, and put it over the another eye. So you can see we have masked both of our eyes, his eyes. Now we need some, mask feather, 141, and now go to effects, search glow. See right here I am having many kind of glows, but what Premiere provides us is VR glow. So I'm gonna use VR glow here. So now go to glow, luma threshold 0, okay. And now saturation, you can make it more or less according to you, but you're gonna make it a yellowish glow, yellowish orange glow, I guess. Yep. Yeah, use tint like this. Glow saturation, make it a little bit higher, brightness a little bit higher, glowing radius kinda doesn't matter right now. And here in blend mode you can make it linear dodge add. So now you can see what's the difference here. You can just skip this if you want to, it's totally up to you, but kinda looks like dry. And if you want more glow, you can like copy and paste this again and again, then the glow will increase, not like drastically but somewhat. And now the kind of hard part is animating these masks. So mask path right here. See right here, it doesn't even matter if your mask is on a right position or not, okay, but let's just do it. Like you see right here, it's covered by his arm, so yeah, you can remove this layer, this part. Okay, so the animating part is done. We're gonna reduce the brightness of the original layer. So just go to colors and now, yeah, it's done. Here I have changed the glow to red. And likewise you can change it to maybe blue. And yeah, that's it.